Wee woo. Damn it. Okay, I'm gonna stop. What was I gonna do? Let's see. We were doing some stuff. Let's show you guys what kind of stuff we were doing. This is not the stuff we wanted to do. Let me... Actually, let's open the camera. How about that one? Yeah. It's not working. Why are we not working? What? Let me restart my camera. Okay. Connect using the Droidcam on your computer. What the fuck do you think I am currently doing, huh? Properties. Yes. Video format, probably the correct one. IP, that is not my IP. How do I... do I need to make a new one? Damn it, why did my IP change? That's annoying. Add. Let's see. Come on, I know how to do this. This one, yes. Droidcam. Name is already in use. Droidcam. New. I didn't think about that one, did ya? Oh fuck, what's the resolution? 1.9. Oh, it's a preset, that's great. IP address 192 dot. Actually, you can't see anything, can you? 192.168.178.28. Interesting, interesting. Deactivate we're not showing. Actually, I don't want that. Enable, no, I do not want audio. Hardware acceleration is always great. Now, can I remove the old one? Yes. Where's my new one? It's not working again. How do I... Did I press something wrong? 192.168.178.28 4747. Settings. What is my camera saying? That's not it. Video. Encoder options. AVC. Target bitrate. I can actually target bitrate a bit higher than whatever the fuck that shit is. Let's go for 20 Mbits. I don't want any. I have a gigabyte internet internally here, so why would I increase that? Activate. Oh my god, I have to click activate. That's funny. Okay, now we're here. What the fuck is going on over here? We need to fix our layout real quick. That looks better already. Can I select my Droidcam? Yes. Okay, let's move this. Perfect. Okay, you guys can see this, and oh, where did I? So there. Okay. Watch this. It's a number. Actually, this number does not update, which is concerning. So we need to take a look at the manual again. The cable is underneath my key. You know when when like the cable is wedged underneath there and you can't press the key because it's blocked. This happens a lot for me for some reason. I do have a lot of cables lying around here, so that might be one reason. Where are we going? Okay, what do we want to do? Oh, right, we wanted to check our analog to digital converter. And there has to be some information on the automatic starting of a conversion. Can I? Let's go. Prescaling and conversion timing. Ooh, no, I want to know. There has to be something about the timers in here. Oh, what the fuck? How do I depressi? I cannot pronounce that. Is the last part pronounced Krenchik? I'm just gonna assume it is. Well, welcome to the stream. Thanks for the follow. We are currently trying to figure out what happens to my timer interrupt. Because for some reason, as you can see here, this thing not updating. It should be updating, but it's not. Also, why is it at 5 volts? That doesn't make any sense. Huh, who knows, who knows. Maybe we need to check our code again, how about that? Let's see. How do we start? We have ADC set up, and then we have a shunt, and the shunt should be updated here. ADCH, shift all of that over, and at the lower register. Okay, I don't see why that wouldn't work, unless we don't have the actual interrupt for this. That could be what's happening. How about I will... how can I test that, actually? That's a good question, isn't it? I can do set current to 5. Oh, and comment this part out. Okay, now I need to sudo change on to me the actual Arduino. Oh, you can't actually see what I'm doing. God damn it, why is no one telling me these things? There we go. Damn it. There we go. Damn it. There we go. Okay, we compile. We object copy. And we send. Oh yeah. That is... weird. Okay, it is working. So we are updating the shunt. For some reason it's 5 volts, which it should not be. Compile, object copy, send. Okay. Okay, I think we actually need to measure the voltage to see if we are doing something stupid Or not. Oh my god, I have an AI mod who's deleting my annoying comment. That's nice. Cake. Good feature. Keep it up. Ow. Okay. Now, which one of these? Is the correct pin, I think. Excuse me. I believe it's this one and this one. We can't actually see anything. Hold on. I'm gonna pull this up so I can see what I'm doing. That's the wrong way around. Okay. No, let me approach from this side. That might be easier. So, ground and excuse me, there we go. 0.02 volts. That is not the 5 volts I was expecting. What is going on? So our dun dun dun, this is not giving us the correct value. Why? Probably something to do with the setup. What is our setup doing? Huh? Are we selecting the wrong pin maybe? Oh, do we have to set the pin to input? ADC info channels. When changing channel selections, user should observe the following guidelines to ensure that the correct channel is selected. Always select the channel before starting the conversion. The channel selection may be changed 1 ADC clock cycle after writing 1 to ADSC. Simplest method is to wait for a conversion complete before changing the set. Yeah, okay. If both ADATE and EN is written 1, an interrupt event can occur at any time. Okay, bro. I might need to set this to input so it actually works. Rescaling and conversion time, that's not it. Dun 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 dun. If auto triggering is used, the exact time of triggering can be indeterministic. Yes, that is what I want. But trigger works. The problem is our reading. We're not reading. What are we doing? Let's see. Hold on. Let's check our init function and see what we set the pins to. God damn it, which pin is it? It's probably 0, right? I'm gonna need Arduino Uno pinout. Let's see, should be simple. PC0, yes. This needs to be input. And this looks like it is input. So... what? Okay, that is not the problem we are facing. Am I selecting the wrong channel? Let's see if there is actually... if actually one of these is 5 volts. This one might be. This one also might be. Hold on. Did we select the wrong pin? There's no way, right? I need shortcuts for this. Where are my register descriptions? A multiplexer selection register. Analog channel selection. These are probably important, right? The value of these bits selects which analog inputs are connected to the ADC. If these bits are changed during a conversion, which one do we want? We kinda want ADC 0, now don't we? I mean... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, they're also connected here, that's funny. I don't see why that would be, but interesting. Okay, so we have the correct pin selected, but it's 0. What happens if we pull it to 1 though? That could be interesting. Do I have any wires? I do. Let me switch to camera. And let me try to pull this one to 1. Okay. Shit. Can you focus? Yeah, okay, so the display is not changing. Okay, new tactic. Let's see if our thing over here works. So we want this commented out, and we're gonna shunt plus equals 1. And let's see what the display is saying now. Oh, we are counting up. Where's my camera? There. Okay, so that works. We are actually not getting a correct value, which is the problem. Okay, how do I stop this? I want the counter to stop. Actually, do we get overflow? Oh, we have 16-bit, that's gonna take a while. Let's just override it. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see, what is our... Ooh. What is our thing saying here? When the conversion is complete, the result is found in these two registers. When ADCL is read, the ADC data register is not updated until what? Till HR. Consequently, blah blah blah. It is sufficient to read ADCH. Okay, otherwise ADCL must be read first. So we are... Is that left adjusted? I feel like this is right adjusted. Okay, we are reading these in the wrong order. That explains it. You know, sometimes it helps to just read. So new will be L, and you will add shunt, and we have new int 16 underscore t, and what we want to cast? We want to cast ADCH. Shift. No, wait, no. Oops. We want to cast this before we shift it. Right? Otherwise this wouldn't make any sense. Okay. Ooh. Oh. That's irrelevant. Not irrelevant, what do you call it? Obsolete. Okay. See if we get actual values now. We do not. We are still on our 5-volt trip. Wait, it also doesn't get... Oh, because shunt doesn't actually change its value. Yeah, this is annoying. Oopsie, I just closed my chats. That's not good. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's ignore the times 5. That's probably 1024 or 23. 23. What the fuck is this scene? I can just delete that one. Yes, scene 3 gets deleted. Okay. Now, how are we... What is the problem? Why are you not getting an actual value here? Let's go back to our spec sheet. Okay. Blah blah blah. ADC must be read first. We are doing that. The ADLAR bit in AD max affect the way the results are read. Oh yeah, this is for the left and right adjustment. Huh. This is weird. Why don't we get any values? These should be converted. Let's go to our interrupt. Interrupt flag. No, interrupt enable. Probably this one, right? This the ADC conversion complete interrupt is activated. Yeah, this one works. But we're not converting. Oh, maybe the comparison is wrong. What are we setting as a comparison? Voltage reference selection. These should be 0. Ah. Oh. I'm getting messages. Is it 0? Let's check it out. Which one was it? AD Max 4. Wait, no. It's supposed to be 4, yes. This is 1. Okay. A VCC with external capacitor at a ref. I don't have a capacitor at that pin. Is that important? Wait, hold on, which one is the AREF pin? I have an idea. Pin out, AREF, this one. Can I pull this to 5 volt? Do I have any camera? Hold on, let me put it big so I see what I'm doing. AREF pin is one of these ones. Oh boy. Do I have any 5 volts I could divert into that? Oh, this one would be 5 volts, right? I know what I'm doing, trust me, bro. How do I... Hold on, which one was AREF? Third from the top. I need to zoom in a little bit. Okay. One, 2, 3, come on. That's not it. Yep, found AREF. Let's go, dude. Now I just need to find some 5 volts. Trust me, bro. This will work. Oh boy. Okay, now that this is working, we can set this to AREF. Actually, hold on. Arduino Uno schematic. Not the R3. Is this the right one? Schematic. Oh, that looks like it. There has to be AREF. Just no connection. But AVCC is connected. Let's check out if we can use AREF for anything. That would be max at... Oh my god, my foot is falling asleep. 0, 0. Okay. Camera. Same shit. Okay, this is not the solution. Yep, that's not it. Upload the old code. Same stuff. Okay. Let me drink something real quick. Okay, so following problem. We are still getting weird ass values that should not be the ones we are getting. We are getting the max every time. But we're at ground level, so that shouldn't be like, should get basically 0. But we are triggering the conversion. We just not, you know. Analog input circuitry. This is why so we are triggering a conversion and we are getting the interrupt that the conversion worked. But we are getting, the value we are getting is just the maximum, which doesn't make sense. Unless, what happens if we change this to, oh, where's the table? There we go. A pin which 1101, one should be at 5 volts. So AD max, and there's a cable underneath my, this is, I have a bunch of cables, right? So, okay, you can't see that. So, let me move the camera, okay, there you go. So sometimes this cable just lands underneath here and I can't press enter anymore. This is, I need to route this maybe underneath the tripod. That's not helping. Behind my water bottle. Yeah, that works. Oh yeah. What did we do? Okay, let me upload the code real quick. Compile, copy, upload. And same fucking max value. Why is it 1023? This is not making sense. Okay, what else could we look at? Pooh. We're currently using this pin. Oh fuck. Don't touch the exposed cables. You will create a connection that's not supposed to be there and break everything. Oh, and my foot fell asleep. God damn it. Well, let me... I feel like... What do you call this position? Cross-legged? Cross-legged. I don't know why, but my legs always fall asleep. I don't think that's supposed to happen, but... You know how it is. Okay. I don't know. I muted myself. Okay. I don't know what else could be wrong. This one is correct. This one is set to AVCC with external capacitor at AREF pin. What? These bits select the voltage reference for the ADC. Yes. If these bits are changed during a conversion, The change will not go into effect until this conversion is complete. Okay. The internal voltage reference options may not be used if an external voltage reference is being applied to the AREF pin. Oh. We do currently have that pin floating. That might be an issue. Do we have any... Not the schematics, this one. Oh, we have a ground right next to it. We're gonna do some hackery. I need to pull that camera up on big screen for me so I can see what I'm doing. Probably also zoom in a little. Oh, that's... Okay. Now I want to see, where am I? There's my ground. Come on. I need some light. There we go. And you go in there. Okay. And this one goes right next to it. Okay. What happens if we press reset? Nothing. God, I love this. Nothing is working. Based. What is going on here, huh? Oops. Let's look back at our code. Oh, actually we should change this back to port 0. So we actually have the correct pin. That pin is set to input. Is that a problem? Don't think so. What's the ADC SRA register doing again? Oh my god, my hiccups. Trying to suppress them. So if I choke, it's you know why. What do we have? ADC enable. This works. It is enabled. Right? Auto trigger is enabled. Interrupt flag. I don't think we can write that one. This is pretty irrelevant for us, I think. We can try to set it to like 64 maybe. I don't know why we would do that. ADPS2, ADPS1. These are the lower three. What are we currently writing? So 9, we are writing a 1. So we have 8 plus. What do we want to write? A 6. So 8 plus 6 would be... Oh boy. Methane. 6 plus... Oh. D, right? Okay. No, I don't want to be a hater, but this doesn't seem to be working at all. Do your hands also make funny sounds when you rub them the right way? I don't understand. You know what? I think I'm just gonna I should have some. Nope, not that. Nope, not that. This one. Okay, 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 okay. Now there should be pin. That's not it. ADC. That's also not it. Arduino library. Let's just copy whatever they did. And I hate it when websites just like they have a text box, right? You select the text box. The website's finished. The website finishes loading and just unselects your text box. Analog write, read. That's also not it. You guys want to hear beard scratching ASMR? I don't like beards. And they are itchy. Oh yes, GitHub. Include analog pin.h. Read. Operational read twice to stabilize the internal ADC after multiplexing. Fuck is multiplexing in this case? That's reading different pins. Oh, you read twice, so I guess you ignore the first read and after that it updates to the correct pin. Read smooth. Low pass filter. Read previous. What? How the fuck? That doesn't make any sense. How do you go back in time to read a value? What? Prescaler is kind of... What? Let's see, analog pin.cpp. Better than CCP, which would be the Chinese Communist Party. Read, raw read. Okay, read twice. Noise equals value minus previous value. Okay. What is a raw read? If defined Arduino. We are activating this. Why are we... okay, I don't care. Analog read, bro. What? The fuck is analog read? Hello? Analog pin.h. We don't do anything differently. Right? ADC-SRA. And then we put in this stuff with the prescaler. What does the SRA do again? Come on. Can't be that hard. This one. And which bit are we updating? 0x07. So these 3 bits get set to 1 as a fat oh, and then we set the prescaler. What? Okay, this library sucks. Oh god, I'm feeling the insulin spike. You guys ever just eat 2 frozen pizzas in one sitting? And then, like, an hour afterwards, you guys can't actually see what the fuck I'm doing. Why is no one telling me this? Okay, there we go. You ever just eat 2 frozen pizzas and then the insulin hits like an hour, half an hour afterwards, and you're just you're just fighting to stay awake. It's oh Jesus. My brain is so slow. My eyelids are just falling down. It's bad. I'm still losing weight, dude. I'm down 1 kilo again. I don't know how the fuck that happened. You would think eating... Oops. Like, hold on, how many calories do I eat? It's like a bit above 500 for breakfast. And then currently I'm studying, so I just eat frozen pizzas. So just for dinner, 2 frozen pizzas. Which that's around 1700 calories. So in total that would be 2200 calories a day. I'm still fucking losing weight. This is annoying. I just bulked up to 70, I'm down to 69 again. It's bruh. Pain. Oh no, my toast is too buttery. My what else do you say? I know. People are gonna hate me for this. Oh no, I eat so much and still lose weight. I want to gain weight, okay, for me it's bad. this chair is killing me. Hold on, I need to... Oh, I have an idea. New sitting position acquired. Oops. There we go. Now my feet shouldn't fall asleep. But we're still not getting any useful values out of this. Actually, what kind of values are we supposed to get? Ooh, let me crack my knees. Okay. Internal reference voltage is blah blah blah, the power reduction bit blah blah. What? You know, sometimes reading helps. Minimizing power on page 36. There are several possibilities to consider when trying to minimize power consumption in the AVR control system. In general, sleep mode should be used as much as possible, and the sleep mode should be selected so that as few as possible of the device's functions are operating. All functions not needed should be disabled. In particular, the following modules may need special consideration when trying to achieve the lowest possible power consumption. Analog digital converter. If enabled, the ADC will be enabled in all sleep modes. To save power, the ADC should be disabled before entering any sleep mode. When the ADC is turned on again, the next conversion will be an extended convert. Okay. Interesting. Analog comparator. What the fuck is the analog comparator? Hold on. Analog comparator compares the input values on the positive pin A in 0 and the negative pin A in 1. When the voltage on the positive pin is higher, that is set. Oh, this is just which one is higher. We don't care about that. We care about this. But power reduction bit must be disabled. The power reduction ADC bit must be disabled by writing PRDAC. Power management and sleep modes. There have to be some registers, right? Probably this one, PRADC. Writing a logical 1 to this bit shuts off the ADC. That should be default 0 though. We can try, so write a 0 to... Oh god. I'm sitting wrong. Oh no. Ow. Yeah, don't tie knots into your legs. Just trust me on that one. Okay. What was I doing? Right, we wanted to disable the power bit. So I forgot PRR. PRR equals... Can we just set everything to 0? Yeah. 0x00. I don't give a fuck about power loss. Okay, this shouldn't change anything. It doesn't. Okay, fuck. You know, it's never too late to hope, but, well. Okay. That was not the problem. Let's start reading again. A-channel analog multiplexer which allowed 8 single-ended voltage inputs constructed from the pins of port A. Single-ended voltage inputs refer to a 0 volt. The ADC contains a sample and hold circuit, which ensures that the input voltage of the ADC is held at a constant level during conversion. A block diagram. Ooh, fancy. Oh, it's one of these things. Okay, we have a multiplexer select input between our pins and random stuff. ADC multiplexer output. 10-bit DAC with a ref. But what? Sample and hold comparator. I don't understand. I don't want to understand. Okay, the ADC has a separate analog power supply voltage pin. Must not differ more than... Okay, pretty sure if we look into the schematic, and this AVCC is basically directly not really. There's a coil in front of it. Who cares? It's basically directly connected, okay. Why is my YouTube stream running again? Okay. Cool story. Power reduction bit, we said that. The ADC converts an analog input voltage to a 10-bit digital value. Okay, the minimum value represents ground and the maximum represents the voltage on RA ref pin -1 LSB. Optionally, AVCC or an internal 1.1 volt reference voltage may be connected to the AREF pin by writing refSN bit in the ADMUX register, which we are doing. The internal voltage reference may thus be decoupled. Who cares about noise? Okay, what I forgot what I wanted to do. Wait, what? Oh, I'm on the analog comparator. I was getting very confused. This is the one we want. And we want mux to be 1. Which is... oops, this one. Mux 0. Yeah. That makes sense. This should be a 1. Hello? 1. Okay. Compile, copy. Please tell me this was the error. It was not. Still 123. This doesn't make any sense. What is happening? Okay, let me are there actually people in chat? I can't tell. says I have viewers, but no one's chatting. So I probably have viewers. Where's my... there we go. Okay, we have... I am in the wrong function. This one. Shunt equals ADCL. Okay. Okay. This one is setting everything to 1. But I don't know what... Why are we doing that? Can this insulin spike please stop slowing my brain down? I feel like just falling asleep right now. But then I will wake up in like an hour and I won't be able to sleep when I'm supposed to be sleeping. I need to go back to my correct diet, so I don't have this problem. Or I need to get insanely jacked so that the insulin spikes don't hit as hard. So yeah, I need to go back to the diet. Ain't no way I'm getting jacked. Well, jacked enough. I do be able to put on muscle. Except for the chest. Bro, I have the worst... Okay, not the worst, but I have terrible chest genetics. Literally all of the weight I gain just goes to my ass and thighs. I don't know why. Like a little bit into my arms, but like just everything. I have the perfect Instagram woman genetics, except that I'm a man, so unlucky. Wait, what? No, why are now no? Why are the viewers showing now? That's not... Hold on. We're doing electronics. We're not doing... I need to stop talking. Okay, we're alone again. We can go back to talking about ass. About ass, that's what I wanted to say. Huh. This is not getting a better value, is it? Why the fuck did my camera just crash? Oh, it might have overheated. Is that a possibility? Maybe, who knows? Well, let me deactivate. We're not showing, yes. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is still weird. I don't know why. We are not Arduino analog. Hello, can I type? And bro? Okay. Analog. Right. Wait, no, analog read. We don't have analog write. What the fuck am I doing? Read with, yes, with T. Analog read. Okay, do I have any link to GitHub? Paste. What the fuck? I can't go higher. Okay, I can't. Where? You know what? We're just gonna check if I'm stupid or if this setup is stupid. So you get deleted. You get deleted. What? You get deleted. Okay, now we will copy our example code. Analog pin A0, please. Value. Okay. Setup begin serial. I don't know if that will work, but we're gonna see. Serial print and delay 200. Can I upload that? I uploaded. Can I? How do I have serial monitor? Oh, I have. Yeah, that's okay, I am not stupid. This thing is broken, bro. This is not working. What? What happens if I... That was the wrong... That's my... Actually, let's not do the camera. Let's keep this monitor open. Actually, let's do the camera because I must... Can we... Why did my IP address switch again? That's the problem. It didn't... 3.5. Is it gonna activate? Oh, I forgot to activate it, didn't I? Bruh. Okay. Come on. I believe in you. This is... Yeah, I'm very good at hitting the right hole. Oh yeah. Okay, what happens if I... Not connected. What? What do you mean not connected? Did I create a short and break it? Hold on. I need to... how do I refresh the serial monitor? Just reload. Oh my god, we're getting values. Holy shit. Chat, it's working. We're getting values. What happens if we connect this to this? We're getting actual values. This is insane. What if I completely disconnect AREF? Can I also... can I set the reference? I'm assuming this is just doing AREF. What happens if I connect this to 3.3 volts? Okay, everyone. Can I want to zoom in. Okay. Let's hope someone can read that. Holy shit, it's working, chat. This is 5 volts. This is 3.3. Oh my god. Oh my god, it is working. Why is it working but mine isn't? That is the real question. Okay, can I go to definition? I cannot, there is a problem. Go to definition. No definition found. Analog read. Come on, bruh. There's no way. Analog read. GitHub. Reference. That's not it. Analog read. That's also not it. Hey, that's funny and all, but where the fuck is the code? Hello? Arduino libraries. Arduino libraries. Pin Arduino documentation. That's not it. Bro, what do you mean there is no... Go to definition. No definition found for it. What the fuck? Libraries. Like, what is... There has to be some code for this somewhere. Like... Serial doesn't have... Delay doesn't have... What? Bro, what is this thing doing? This is... Huh? Analog read functions, analog I/O. Okay. Reference EN Arduino. Do they have any cores? That sounds correct. Libraries. Oh, wire. What do we have here, huh? Begin, set, clock, clear, begin, request, write, read. There's not like analog something, right? I don't see it. Okay, this is not utility. That's something different. Ooh, EEPROM, the software serial, that's something different. There's a serial thing right now. Yeah, serial begin, listen, end, peak, write, read, available, that's something different. Ooh, what What else do we have? Drivers. Oh, can I simply search? What do we call it? Analog. Right. But you don't have a right. Analog read. Oh, these are issues. I don't want issues, I want code. What do you mean sign up? Or to give you sign up? Aha, firmwares. That's not it. Cores. Arduino.h. Oh, there is. Oh, it's this analog right. There we go. Arduino.c. Oh fuck. We have it split up into a bunch of stuff. One of these is probably. Can I no. Hardware serial IP address pluggable USB. Yes, I'm also very pluggable. Stream USB W string binary writing analog.c. That sounds based. Analog read. Wait. Wiring, and yeah, that makes way more sense than writing. Okay. Pin. Okay, set max bit of ADC SRB selects whether we're reading from channels. Okay, this sets the pin, I guess. Set the analog reference, high 2 bits for AD max, and select the channel. Analog reference, where do we set that? Default based. Oh, you can set it to mode, okay. What's the default though? Probably an Arduino, isn't it? Default. Zero. I think that's a ref. Okay. Set the analog reference. Select the channel. Without delay, we seem to read from the wrong channel. Huh. Funny. But it's commented out. Okay. Start conversion. What? ADSC. Ah, this is start conversion. Okay. ADC micro takes care of reading ADC register. Implements the proper reading order. ADCL is read first. Oh, I can. Ooh. Wait, what's the ADC macro? Oh. Oops. I did not want to close that. What is the ADC? Can I use the ADC? I'm just gonna assume I can use it. Hello? Can I just do this. Ooh. Copy and send. Okay. Yeah, I need to do this. Damn it. Okay, now I can send. Nope. Oh fuck, I need to reset it and then immediately send it. This will require some timing. Oh my god, I need to... How do I stop this shit? Can you like not for like 1 second please? I don't want that. Okay, okay, it worked. We are still getting the wrong fucking value. Let's set up. Let's set this to 0 because that's what the Arduino does for some reason. And for some even weirder reason it seems to be working. And Control R, dude. Wait, when I switch between desktop and camera my thing moves. That's annoying. My, what do you call it? What thing? Oh my god, it fucking works! It fucking works! Why? Who knows? What did I change? Did somebody... Oh, it's probably got optimized and fucked up the reading order, didn't it? Oh. Can I fucking closed my chat, hold on. I need to reopen that. Dude, Control W to switch between Vim windows and Control W to close tabs is kind of kind of an unlucky combination. No, this didn't work, right? If I change it back to my 5-volt reference. Now it seems to do something. What if I connect this pin to a funny value? Nothing. Yeah, okay, let's just use the other one, which seems to be working for some reason. The reference value. That's so weird. Why? It should be 0. Or I guess it's floating, it should be nothing. But it seems kind of accurate. If I... Let me zoom out a bit. If I connect this to 5 volts. Come on. This is not easy. Hold on, I need to pull this up on the big screen so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, I want this pin on this. Actually, hold on, I can do this. Oh yeah. And you touch this. This is not correct. We are not changing at all. This... Oh, hold on, we got chat message. I wonder how long it would take you to finish this. Well... Once that is done, I just need to connect the things up I have some lying around there. We might need to implement the foot pedal, but that's it basically. Set a timer counter for the timer, so we can actually reach some seconds, but that's like peripheral stuff, maybe like an hour for that. But oh no, we need to implement the regulator. That's the actual big thing. Also, this doesn't work. I was very happy that it seems to be working, but it is not. We are not getting any useful value out of this. Can I pull our reference pin to 5 volts maybe, and then we will see an actual... I mean, I've been working on this project for some time now, so... Ah. Yeah, this doesn't make any sense. What are we measuring? Wait, huh? What? And I'm lurking here for a while after you mentioned your physics. You might consider becoming fanboy at this point. Maybe. Wait. Have I ever told you about the egg carton theory on stream? I should make a YouTube video about this, hold on. Okay, let me explain this. There is... Okay, you all know the 4chan Luxmaxers, right? It's like... look... Like this, Luxmaxing? Yeah, Luxmaxing. Okay, you all know these guys, right? Like the weird, like this, right? This is fucking stupid. What you do is the egg carton theory, okay? 3D plot online. Okay, so you're gonna get yourself a graph which looks like this. Z equals what do we do? Cosine of x plus, what's plus? Times sine y. Y? Okay. Actually we're gonna make that a little bit more like an egg carton so it looks better. The fuck is this 5n? Okay. Okay, this is the egg carton function, okay? Trust me. Can I rotate this? And oh yeah, I can. Okay, this is the egg carton function, okay? You have like your peak looks somewhere on the peaks right here, right? You have like the different, like, you have like the Luxmaxing thing over here, the Superman physique. You got, I don't know what this is. Maybe, what is Arnold Schwarzenegger? Then we got, I don't know, maybe Roadhog over here. We got Legolas over here. Some fanboy over here, right? And then people land somewhere here, right? And these are the unlucky valleys where your looks, I mean, kind of unlucky, you're a 1, okay? And you only get that many steps. So if you land here and you try to get to this standard Luxmaxing peak, right? You're gonna walk like this. You're never reaching this. Like, what are you doing? Instead, go to this peak, okay? This works way better. Okay, if you're over here, just embrace the Roadhog physique, okay? If you're over here, I don't know, become a fanboy. Just, I promise you, there's probably some bisexual woman out there who wants to share a closet. Okay, just saying. This is the correct theory, okay? we need to embrace the... Okay, you need to work with what you were given. This is how it works. I patented this as the egg carton theory, so good luck with that one, Chief. Yeah. Okay, what were we actually doing? Hold on. That was a weird tangent. Alright, we are trying to figure out where these weird ass values are coming from. Look at this. What is going on here? This doesn't make any sense. Did I? Wait. Wait a second, this does make sense. I am so stupid. This is a 9. Right? Oh god. Please tell me I didn't waste this much time because I forgot to reset this. 0. And... AD Max. Oh no, this is a 0. ADSRA. What was that? ADSRA. These 3... Oh. Those are irrelevant. Wait, what is the B doing? Oh, that's... Yeah, that's a 3. Okay, that makes sense. Where are we selecting our... This one? 0, 0. What are we setting this to? 4. Interesting theory. Yeah, thank you. That's probably... I mean, you can kind of fight your genetics, but... You shouldn't do that. It's way easier to just lean into it. Honestly, I'm kind of between like Legolas and Femboy. Somewhere in between that, you know. Like my back is pretty wide, but I don't know, my chest is just fucking flat. It's so weird. Yeah, I still don't know what the fuck's going on here. Why is that? What is that? That value doesn't make sense. It should be somewhere 0. Oh, is it floating? Oh, it's fucking floating, isn't it? Oh, I'm so stupid. What happens if I... How can I pull this? Ooh, another cable. And... 5 volts. Fuck. Come on, hit it. Okay, this is way more constant now. These values don't make any sense. Wait, it's supposed to be maximum 1024. Why is it 1100 something? What? Huh? What? Do I need to set it to 0 before I do the funny... I was wondering if you're going to stream games on the future streams. Probably both. Like, I have ideas for other machines. But I mean, I'm gonna stream games at some point. I just don't know which games yet. Oh fuck, never mind. I thought we were making progress. We are in fact not. Wait, what machines did I want to build? Oh right, I have another one of these keyboard halves. Can you see that? These keyboard halves, right? I wanna build another one so I can use that for all my shortcuts. So basically like a Stream Deck, but that's like a 3-day project. Like I already have the PCB. I don't do any programming for that. I just have to solder it. Oh, I kind of have like, I don't know if it's weird. I'm kind of fascinated by sex toy electronics. It's so weird to me. The tech is like a couple years behind where it should be, in my opinion. Like, there's stuff that I think would be really easy to build, but no one does it. I don't know if people just don't pay engineers in that industry. I don't know. But I don't know if I can build any of that on Twitch. So, you know. Yeah, for games, I don't know. Kinda like Factorio, Minecraft, like the autistic games, but if someone wants to play some games with me on stream, as long as it runs on Linux, I can probably play it. What did I want to do here? This one was a 1, right? Max 1. What else can I do for stream? Yeah, this shit is weird. I also kind of wanted to do some segments for other stuff. Maybe like memes I stole from Lemmy. I don't know. We can go over a couple. Like I have a bunch of memes, but I don't know how many of them are funny enough. Also, I don't know how to present them. Like, do I just look at them, talk them? I don't... We can try. Let me see. Let's go over here. Do I have them on synced? Probably. Cloud, pics. Nope, that's not it. I don't think they're synced. Pictures? Yes. Pictures, eternity. Just everything. I don't even know what the meme was with this. You're still giving me a pretty blank look. Suppose it's none of my business. But do you just wear the same set of clothes all the time? Maybe you should take that stupid hat off before you criticize my appearance. Of course I do. Are you telling me I don't? Wait, what? No, that would be ridiculous. You could also lie. No, that would be ridiculous. Still shocked with that toy information. Wait, what do you mean? That's some grade 8. Listen, I have watched a talk on. Can I switch to the camera maybe? I watched a talk on it was like a hacker who did a talk on, I don't know, sex toy security, because a bunch of toys now they have Wi-Fi connections, you have accounts where you can share who knows what. I think, what's it called, Love-ins, like you have like remote control and stuff. And yeah, the guy was basically, yeah, so these manufacturers, they know how to do all the health stuff and the vibrating stuff, but the software, they don't know how to do that. So you could just download all of the profile pics from all accounts from like one specific toy, and he basically had like 2 terabytes of no, he just had like 2000 dick pics on his laptop or something because of that. Yeah, these things were not secure. Like, that's kind of concerning. Like, people joke about remote controlling, like, you know, the Flipper Zero? It's this Flipper Zero, this thing. Can we have some images, please? So why they do this instead of just making one in home like that Pringles one? Why they do this instead of just making one in... I don't know what that means. That Pringles one? The fuck are you talking? Wait. Does Pringles have toys? Hold on. Bro, my head just immediately went to the mustache guy. Like the Pringles mustache chip. I don't know why. Okay, apparently we don't get any images. But this is like a small handheld device. You can repeat wireless signals, so you can basically take over someone's toys. And people made a bunch of memes about that, but that's kind of like, that's kind of concerning. Never heard of Pringles, 2 sponges and a glove. Oh, I heard, but that's like something you do as a teenager. Like, when you live at your parents' house and you don't you can't really hide any actual toys, I get it. If you're an adult and you have your own place, just buy proper toys. They're safer, they're actually made for that. Yeah. Also, you get some fun electronics, which I don't actually know if there is a lot for men. Probably. You always just hear about buttplug.io, which there is a lot of support for. Apparently you can integrate buttplug.io into your Rust compiler, so that when it compiles successfully, yeah. Oh wait, wasn't there a game that had bugplug.io support? What was it called? Something with gear, I think. Not Metal Gear. Let's change topic, maybe. Yeah, let's maybe change topic. What kind of games should I play? That's the real topic. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know why this thing is not working for me. Wait, what games do I have? That's a good question. Let me open my Steam on the other monitor. Oops. It's gonna take a while to start. I don't have that many games actually. I need to... How the fuck do I change? Okay, I guess we're doing this on the screen. Library. Oh, that's a big ass library. How do I get this the way I want it to be? Oh, there we go. Let's rearrange my windows correctly again. Okay, let's see, we can close this shit. Creator. Create from clipboard. Okay, I have Aim Hero, Aim Labs, I have Among Us. Ark Survival Evolved. I never liked Ark. That was like... I don't know, it kind of felt like a base building game, right? But you were always wrangling dinosaurs as your factories, which that was just weird. We have... Okay, so I have Blackwake. It was some pirate game, I think. Brawlhalla, never really played. Business Tour, that's like Monopoly. Counter-Strike, never really played that. I was more of a Valorant guy. I don't know, Counter-Strike just is so old. Destiny 2, I never actually played, like I played a lot for some time, then I stopped playing. I don't know. My friends stopped playing, I think. I don't think I ever did any raids. Dirty Bomb is a really good game, but they kind of stopped updating it, so... Ark is in your top 10 games, really? it feels so weird wrangling entities as like your factory things. Oh fuck. Oh, never mind. Didn't spill any water. That was my water bottle. What else? Don't Starve Together. I don't think I played that. Dot-H is kind of fun, but the gameplay loop gets boring quickly. Dwarf Fortress, I kind of wanted to get into that, but I just like dinosaurs based. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Dwarf Fortress. Yeah, Dwarf Fortress I really wanted to play for some time. It's a complicated game. There's so many mechanics. Edna and Harvey, Harvey's New Eyes. That's like a German point and click game. It's really funny. Factorio, really fun game. Favor Chess, yeah. Hollow Knight is pretty fun. I have never played with a controller, so I'm playing that with keyboard, which is apparently harder. And yeah, I didn't get, like, I don't think I finished the game ever. Age Sniper World War, I got that as a gift. I didn't know how to decline that, so don't worry about that one. Meadow is very chill, but it's not really... It's like something you do while watching a video or something. No Man's Sky, pretty fun actually. But yeah, at some point it's just like you explore and yeah, I don't know. The building mechanics aren't as advanced enough to... Or maybe I just never understood the mechanics correctly. Orient the Will of the Wisps was fun. Raft. I think I'm almost done with my save there. Rust, kinda cringe. Smite. Smite is actually fun, but it's... you know, it's kind of... If you don't take it too seriously, it's fun. Like League of Legends, you know? I don't think Stuff Together, Hollow Knight, No Man's Sky could be fun to watch on streams. Yeah, Hollow Knight is like it's like oh, watch me beat this boss, watch me fail to beat this boss and lose my mind for 3 hours game. No Man's Sky is maybe fun with friends. I don't know, Don't Stuff Together, I never played that, so who knows. Rainbow Six. Kind of fun. I don't think that's a stream game. Total War Rome 2. That's kind of fun. League of Legends is better than Smite. Yeah, but Smite has gods, okay? Not like weird K-pop shit. So... also, yeah, Smite I think is kind of paid to win at some point. Or... like... it dropped off for a reason, but... yeah. Splitgate is fun, but... I don't think it's a stream game. Yeah, and the other stuff I didn't play. Played a lot of Minecraft and Factorio. And some Valorant for a time. Oh, Overwatch. I played a lot of Overwatch. In like Overwatch 1. But I'm a main, I'm playing main tank, right? And then they just, like in pro play, the GOATS meta was really strong. But so they kind of updated the game for that, to nerf that, and like buffed all the tank busters like Reaper, Roadhog, etc. And I'm just here in like Plat playing main tank, just get 2-shot by a Reaper. Just, I don't know. And then Overwatch 2, the same shit kind of happened again. Where they like removed one tank and now my job is like front and back line, and yeah, it's just... and you can't really... like if you're a good tank, you can climb, but Jesus Christ. Your impact is so dependent on your team. Just look at KDA, Gragas, and you. Okay. Hold on. KDA, Gragas. What are we? What the fuck? What am I looking at? What's the original Gragas? Nah, that's better. We all love a dwarf with ale. What the fuck is this? I think in League I played what's this guy called? Cho something. League Troga. That's the one. I played that guy. I played not Nautilus. Something with N. Nah. Also a tank. Like Anubis guy. Anubis. What's that guy called? Was something with N, right? Oh, this guy. Okay, no name spaced. The one where you stack the Q infinitely for some reason. Like I kind of played these two guys. I never got into League. I wanted to start playing Cho, but I don't have a skin for him. I don't have a skin for it. Wait, I do have a skin for Baker's skin for this one guy, this Pantheon. I have this guy. Ah, Nasus, that's the guy, yes. Nasus. Yeah, he was fun. Could really annoy people with him. Yeah, I'm not that good with mouse. Like on the point and click stuff. I usually use a graphic tablet for that. But you kinda need... Do you need left click actually? Can you just map your right click to a left click? Because I don't... Do you need that? Otherwise, I don't know. I just played Minecraft. I don't play a lot of games anymore. Maybe I should change that. You can... Wait, I can use those? Like, that's fucking amazing. It's kind of restrictive in terms like you can't walk everywhere, but hold on. But how do I do my abilities? I do have to aim those. Oh, but I can aim those with a graphic tablet because I don't have to click, right? Actually, do you have to click for abilities? I don't remember. And also, League of Legends doesn't really play on Linux, so... Sucks to suck. Oh wait, this is one... This is a great game. Bro... You don't know the good games, okay? I still play that. They added this for newer players. They never used this, so I don't know how the abilities work on that. Yeah. Oh, something should I say? Yeah, fuck it. Something I wanted to, like a project I wanted to build for a long time is a graphic tablet, but for gaming. Because the current ones are for art, and that, like, there are issues with that. So I wanted to make like an actual gaming tablet. You can also switch to mouse mode, so you can use that for like 3D navigation, like for FPS. But that's a complicated project. That's Gotta disassemble one of those, see how that one works. See how we can build a better one, you know. Sounds epic. Yeah, that's gonna be a long stream project though. I know how it works in theory, but in praxis, you're gonna have to figure out like wireless communication between some things, and probably runs through like a couple of prototypes before it actually works. But you know. Yeah, what kind of other games I know. There are probably some actual like stream games. Maybe I get together with some other VTubers to like some people actually play games, you know. Just hop in one of their games. Also, if you want to play Settlers, play 3 or 4. The other games are kinda eh. Like, I don't know why, but the series kinda took a hit after 4. Some people also don't like 4, but I don't know, I like it. The Okay, well, what was my problem with the display? I also got that to work at some point. Don't remember how I did that. Maybe I need to check the old streams to, you know, see how I got this thing to work and why it didn't work. What was it? Was I setting something wrong? I don't remember. I can recommend Neon Nora because she is bad at playing games and she might want to do collab. Neon Nora. Okay. Keep that in mind. Neon Neon Nora. Kind of... Okay, listen, there's... Oh boy, she actually plays games, damn. There's like this... Okay, so there's this VTuber software, right? Live 2D. This is what basically everyone uses. And can we... Okay, there we go. Like, this is the software most people use. There are problems with it, but the biggest problem is that it's not open source. So what I use is not G2D, this one. So yeah, I'm kind of... So like normal collabs won't work. You know, like you can do Discord calls, like that's not a problem, but yeah. I can ask her if she wants to play at some point, but yeah. We will see. Also, I've been playing with these jumpers and on the pins for a long time now. Like, this is the fidget spinner for nerds. Yeah. Okay, kinda getting in late. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna figure this one out today. This is a mystery, bro. What is this pin doing differently? Max 5. Go into that. Pin 3. Go. What? Huh. I don't know why this is working, but mine isn't. I forgot about fidget spinners, they were probably for a short time. Yeah. They kinda lost the hype. There are always new things coming out that do the same thing. I have a bunch of rings you can like spin around your finger. I don't know. I need something to do with my hands. Problem is, most of these things make sounds, so that can get annoying really quickly. Like, can't be sitting in an exam doing this. Oh shit, yeah, this one's kinda broken. It falls apart all the time. Stay in there. I have to write an exam with this. Okay. Should be safe now. Alaboo is still popular. I feel like they kinda... Labubu. Which company makes them? Labubu, Chinese, Pinyin, Hong Kong Illustrator, blah blah blah. Invented company, how to work. PopMart. PopMart. PopMart stock. Can we... Okay. Loading chart. Oh yeah. Can we get like 6 months? Ooh, we are dropping deep. 1 year. Oh, we are actually not dropping deep. Yeah, there was a spike, wasn't there? around 825. Huh. Kinda dropped, but they're rising again. Interesting. I had a similar problem with my pen, but it exploded in the end. Yeah. I don't want to glue it, because I need to change these things. Kinda like how this one feels. But it do be falling apart. I'm probably gonna tape it for the exam or something. Like, watch me press on the button and it just explodes like 3 rows away from me and I don't have a pen anymore. Am I hearing the same music as you are? I am not, bruh. Why? We. What was the display error? Don't remember what that was. I think I said something wrong. What was it? Did I set the display? No. Oh fuck, no, I messed up the potentiometer. That's not the problem with the analog pin. Actually, I think the problem might be that it's... Hold on. Keycard, let's see, how is it connected? It should be pulled low, right? Pulled low, yes. So why is this max value? Doesn't make sense? No, it does not make any sense. What the fuck? Well, I think I need to go to sleep. I think next week I'm gonna do a rest week. Probably a smart idea. I have exams. Don't need extra workout stress. Wait, is Neon Nara live? Can I rate her? She is not live. Okay. Is she? I don't think so. No, 5 days. Jesus, that's a long time. Okay, who can I raid? Is Mats Bunny live again? Oh, this category is like the most random shit ever. Seismic detector. We're doing 3D printing. Weathercam live. MSC live cameras. I might need to stream to a different category, dude. There are like no viewers in here. What is... Hold on. Copy link. Like, what is this fucking category? Buy PC or build yourself. Oh, this man has viewers. What? It's probably some famous guy. Chill stream, encoders, knobs, and just... This guy knows what he's doing, probably. Okay. Seismic monitor. Earthquakes. The title is just live. We have 5 viewers. What is this? Okay. It's just a rendering of earthquakes or something. Time has come. Historical geology. Oh, this guy streams a lot. He's funny, I think. Oh, that's me. 24/7 server rake. How does this have more viewers than I have? What is happening? New chat, interactive toy. Oh. Wait, that sounds fun. That's an ad. Change your category to just chatting, maybe then more people would show up. Really? I feel like that's like insanely overcrowded. Where the fuck are just chatting? Oh god, it's this guy. Fucking commies. Like, how the fuck is anyone gonna click on my my stream in here? Also, what are these streams? What is this? What the fuck is this? Okay, we're just watching Naruto. Certified bot and friends. Now, Twitch is an interesting place. What is there going on here, huh? Doing some fun stuff. Okay. Oh, Arduino. Oh! She looks like she knows what she's doing. ASMR. Yeah, I don't know if that's a category. Can you... English? There's a lot of streams. Oh, some of these are holy. Hey, no, I thought he was doing electronics. Well, I know how this algorithm works because I just filter just streams with these. How do you do that? Tags, language, like on the main side. Oh god, my foot fell asleep again. Oh! Am I the only one who's like paranoid about like when you don't feel anything in your foot anymore? That you just think about, oh god, if I hit that in the wrong way, I don't have any reflexes that will correct it and I will just break all my toes. Is that just me? Oh lol, this is funny. Yeah, my Twitch strategy is just... It's just you on this one. On which one? Well, I'm gonna go to sleep. See you guys.